do a turn on sequence, so it's just a matter of powering the unit up. It'll click in. RT is real tank temperature, so we're at 18. Time 10:43, so we need to set that. Turn the system on. Once the system's turned on, we'll get a little rain head or a shower head. It says the system's wanting to sort of turn on and ready to go. System's operating, fan motor's kicked in. Condenser is now kicked in. To set the time, push and hold that once. Push it again to activate hours. We can push up and down to activate the hour. So we're set at 9:43. Push time clock again to go to minutes. We're at 9:43 again. Push up and down. So we're set at 9:44. Push timer to get out of time setting. To set your heating intervals, push and hold time clock. We've got heat mode 1 on at 0500 hours in the morning. So we'll bump that up to 6 o'clock. Push time clock to go to minutes. Go through the minutes, push time clock. Heat period 1 off. So we want to bump this up to 1800 hours, which is 6 p.m. overnight. hours, cycle through the minutes, go to heat period 2. It wants to come on at 4 o'clock or 1600 hours in the afternoon. We'll monitor that time and cycle through that. Go to heat period 2 off, that's at 1800 hours, so we want to drop that back down to cancel it out to 1600. Cancel that out, cycle through the minutes. Heat period 3 is at 10 o'clock at night, at 8 o'clock at night, 2000 hours. We monitor that, cycle through to the off period to cancel it out again. Heat mode 3, 2200, so we'll drop that to 20, cancel heat period 3 out. Cycle through the minutes, cycle through, back to time, everything's set to go. To adjust setting temperature, ST means set temperature, bump that up to 60 degrees. That'll return back to RT mode, which is tank temperature in a second. Current tank temperature is 17 degrees. We've got it set for 60 degrees. To cycle through the modes, stand is a standard mode, means that you can adjust the temperature to heat the temperature to 60 degrees. It'll mainly use the condensing unit. Push it again, it'll go through eco mode. You could use this mode if you like. Hybrid mode is an element mode and condensing mode, not advisable to use that. Electric mode means electric element only, not advisable to use that. I set mine at standard or eco mode.